Good morning, good morning. Now we are in Hanoi and we have to check in my hotel. So the reason is registered. So this is the hotel that we stay in Hanoi.
Time to check in is 2 p.m. Now you want to
Good morning, good morning. It's me, Jimakara. Guys, after we just came back from Sapa and now we are check-in in Hanoi. So I want to give you a tour with our hotel here, with our room. See? Wow, they have the washing machine, they have the, it looks like a, and this is our bathroom. Look at that. Oh, not bad. This is our, yeah, it's not bad. And this is our bed. Oh, yeah, it's quite a big room. Nice. And there is a balcony. Yeah, the balcony here. Look at that. But I don't want to open the balcony yet. But this is what you can see in the balcony. Yeah, I think other hotel. And this is our, yeah, this our cabinet. Okay, and our table and our coffee amenities. Yeah, so guys, that's it. That's our, oh, look at that, so nice, the chandelier. And it's nice, guys, our hotel tour. And there's also these are the remote, the lamp, the tone, the hair dryer, and the TV. So guys, that is, wow. After this, we're gonna go to the breakfast because the train stopped around 6 something. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. It's me, Jimakara.